Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about where query. So where can we use the where query and why it's important? So in previous lessons I have talked about select and from. So with select and from we can extract data from a data set or a table. So here with where we can more personalize our data. We can extract a specific thing. So here I can run my query again. Here I use the select from. This two is the most important somehow. I write data 1, should type the name of table here, and for select I choose price and make, and here. So now I want to personalize it. So if I want to personalize it, I have to use the where function. Where, and here for example price greater than 16,000, and here run. Okay, and here you can see these are greater than 16,000, and here yes, we just have the price and make. And here if I want to personalize it more, I just come here and change this 16,000 to 16,500, and also change this greater to equal, and just run here. Now you can see I have the result, just 2 rows I have here, which are 16,500. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.